West Palm Beach. Hotel coffee is the best thing ever when you're on the road. I think it's the worst thing ever, and it kind of is. But when you're on the road, it's all you got. Hotel breakfast usually has nothing vegan except for oatmeal and sometimes fruit. If there's fruit, make smoothies. Every morning when I wake up on the road, I do a live stream to all my vegan friends. Vegan, of course. Chicken truck right now. Need my chicken hat. Alright, this is a day in the life of a PETA Hell on Wheels chicken truck driver. Heck yeah. It's gonna be awesome. Let's rock and roll. Idea's chicken truck is to let the chickens do the squawking and hopefully convince people to think about animals, especially chickens, just for a minute of their day. We're gonna go to a bunch of chicken-centric restaurants. How to get people to think just a tiny little bit, just for a second. There's my baby, the vexatious Vivian. Vivian, the vexatious, vivacious vehicle. Her name had to start with a V, so we call her Vivian. Vivian, the vexatious vehicle. I think when trucks have names, I don't know, they just work harder when they have a name or something. So what I do with my other phone is map out the day so I can hit all of my... Look at all these people. They want to see the chicken truck. Let's see them. Here we go. Let's go. There we go. That guy likes it. Hey, we're going to turn the squawking and see how we go. There's a lot of people here. What is going on?
What are their prices? You got down here, right?
Think about chickens for just a second. Yeah. We make 10 billion in America a year. And each one's an individual who wants to live, you know? So, just trying to get people to think about just for a moment. Each chicken. Each one's an individual. They can eat you too. Is that life? Love is part of life too.
We're not this guy.
Yeah.
Oh, you are. All right.
Protecting the chickens.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, there's a sign on the set that says if it bothers you, go vegan. And there's a pamphlet in there that tells you about what happens to chickens in America. Yeah, it's awful. But you could do something. You can vote against it every day.
I know, right? I know. So when you think about it, it's like we're so desensitized.
That's exactly it.
Yeah.
That's exactly it. That's what this is for.
Yeah.
Let's not be so desensitized.
Really think about it.
Think about it for just a second, would you?
Yeah.
You know? I always have really good conversation with people. I'm always hiding in the corners, but they see the PETA shirt and they're like, is that you? Is that your truck? My God. farmers market bumping. Very popular farmers market in West Palm Beach. And we're about to leave. About 5 minutes, we'll be out of here. That music, I don't think it was for me. I think it was for the music. That music's not coming from me. Oh, but I thought it was the music. Oh, but the loading zone went wrong. He said it was the music. Oh, well that music's louder than mine. Come on. I'm offended by this music. Show me. Let me get a picture of it. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day. Take care, boss. You take care. Thank you. We got problems with the cops right in the very end, which, you know, you'll have that. Does that fit? It works. So we get cop problems here and there. But luckily, they came right when I was done. So I was gonna stay for about 90 minutes. I stayed for about 90 minutes and that was it. So hopefully. That's it. We're gonna get out of here, go to all the restaurants that I gotta visit. Here we go. Yo, man, is Palm Beach Grill this way? Palm Beach Grill, is it this way? Alright. Alright, so we gotta jump out and take some pictures of the being in front of here. The chicken sound's going. Looks like the police are closing the street. That ain't good. So we are at Howley's restaurant. Hopefully get some people out there. The stops at the restaurants are always fun because you're usually parked illegal and people will come out and talk to you or yell at you. So you just stay for a while and then go to the next spot. Look at this cool thing, the banyan trees. The banyan trees have things hanging from them in there. Like, I don't know what that is, but it seems pretty cool. Phillips Park or Phipps Park. Videotape, so I turned it up for him. Everyone looks at my chicken truck. Howley's loves it. They got dogs and cats eating their Howley's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cooked in sight, must be right. I guess it's an open kitchen concept. Here's everyone looking. There we go. Hopefully they're thinking about chickens just for a second. Oh, the police. What Buds. Buds Chicken and Seafood. Buds Chicken and Seafood. We're playing the sounds. The Hell on Wheels chicken truck. When I'm stopped at stoplights and there's a restaurant there that's full of people, I like to play the sounds. Try to catch some eyes. Chick-fil-A, home of the most easily triggered chicken eaters. Yeah, baby, go ahead. I like to park right where the Chick-fil-A drive-through is so that everyone can see what they're about to eat. They're about to eat bloody chickens. I'll usually sit here until the manager or the cops show up. I always love doing Chick-fil-A because the people are there's just so many people. And there's always so much traffic they can't escape. They have to hear the message, they have to hear the screams. And they just can't handle it. They are all triggered right now. All shaking their heads at me, all freaking out. It's unbelievable. It's like they can't escape because they're stuck in line. They just paid for this. The manager's gonna have a little meeting about it. What's that? Chick-fil-A's got it so, man, I don't want to leave, but I got more stops to make, you know. Got more stops, more people to meet. But man, all the chicken abusers are here. Dang it, it just started raining. All right, so I came back to the hotel to change my shirt. It still says PETA, but it's inside out because I'm going to a Cube of Truth. It is a day in the life of a chicken truck driver. So now I'm going to the Cube of Truth. It's an AV thing. I have had 2 vegan activists ask me what a Cube of Truth is, but that's what it is. And now we all gonna have dinner at V or Va. It's supposed to be pretty cool.
I was cool when I saw y'all were doing
Yeah,
that.
you guys see next to
They have like pants in there and like stuff that says vegan leather.
Hey, buddy.
Did you were you waving at the cameras? Yeah.
If it's a little too squishy for you guys, you're welcome to take over any other table.
Well, it's 1:30 in the morning and I'm finally getting back from the Cube. Finally back. That's a day in the life of an activist, I suppose. Thanks.